once in a while you come across a pallet that somebody took some real pride in their work. And this is one of those pallets. They put a bunch of nails in this thing. But when I come up against that, I've got one of these tools. This thing here, this is a beast. They built this thing real well, but it's this is one of those Vestal pallet breakers. It's got the cantilevered things down here. But when you use, if you run into something like one of these pallets where it's tough to take apart, even with the good tools, this is the one you go to, unless you want to break out that saber saw or something like that. But we'll put this one on the ground, and I'll show you how this thing works. Like I said, this thing here, this is the top of the line pallet buster tool for heavy duty pallets like this one here. Okay, we got her on the ground now, and we'll try this thing out. It's pretty good. If you get one, you won't be disappointed. It is heavy, but it's heavy duty for a job like this. And just like this one here, this guy put 6 nails. Yeah. He really took some pride in his work. But this thing here, pull those things right out. Pulls it right out too. Let's do one more. Always start on the ends. What I'm mainly after is these 2x4s. There's some about 8-foot 2x4s in here, and they're in pretty good shape. Not really too concerned about these boards in here. Like I said, this thing here will do it. There's a link down at the bottom if you want to see where I got it on Amazon. This thing runs about, I think it was about $70. It was well worth it. Like I said, the guy that built this pallet, he took some pride in his work. Alright, I'll finish taking this apart, but you can see how well it works. It did cost a little bit, but it was worth the money, I think. It's money well spent. It's one of the best tools I've ever bought. And I don't have any regrets about buying it. Check the link below and you can see where I got it. Thank you for watching. I hope this saves you some time and money.